If you have problems with the lock cylinder on the front door, stay on the video and I will tell you how you can change it yourself. As you can see, this one is broken on the inside, and working normally on the outside. They seem to be inside gone small balls. In order to change it, you only need to unscrew one side, which passes through the cylinder, and holds it firmly in place. You cannot remove the cylinder if the key is in the normal position. Because the key position, it stands outside the cylinder, and is impossible to pull out. That is why the key needs to be moved a little to the side, so that the wedge enters the cylinder. When you feel that the cylinder is free, gently pull it out. Usually on the cylinder itself there is a mark, in which position the wedge is. This has run out of time because you can move it with your finger, which is not possible otherwise. And to be sure that there is no help for him, first try to fix it. It is still broken on the inside. When buying a new one, it is best to take the old one to the store, because they can be quite different. Access lock should only be on the inside, never on the outside. Because then it is easy to pull out some strong pliers. If you liked the video, please like and share it to support the channel. Thanks for watching.